bedrock is deeper here than expected.
Check the seismic readings on the tablet again. Confirm the depth.
Keep the flow steady, watch the cooling channels. Roger that, bringing the vibrator up slowly. Bring it down slowly now, watch the alignment. A little to the left, easy. Okay, hold it there.
Feedback của bộ mặt thiết bị của phải khi không xuống khi xâm chạy chỉ xem ở vùng thấm của địa biển gồm các trải nghiệm.
Lower the tower slowly. Watch the alignment.
Hold it right there. We need to secure the pipes first.
The new server connection is live.
Confirmed. The AI optimization data is flowing smoothly now.
Lower it slowly, watch the connection point. Almost there, bring it down another meter.
Pallet 7B, confirm shipment to Urumqi. Loading now.
Check the temperature display before sealing.
The optimization algorithms are working well. We are exceeding the 15% coverage target.
Yes, and the daily cost savings are significant.
The pressure in vessel 3 is stable. Good, let's check the conductivity reading now.
Pay close attention to the calibration sequence on the main screen. This ensures optimal yield.
Next, we The data clearly shows a 12-fold increase in yield.
And the AI optimization pushed us up another 18%. We should review the lighting schedule.
As you can see, our water use is down 95% and land use is 99% lower. Even accounting for energy, we project a
As you can see, the data confirmed a 25% increase in vitamin C.
And 40% more beta-carotene.
The scale and efficiency here are truly impressive.
Yes, this technology is vital for arid region food security.
This lettuce variety shows rapid maturity.
Good. We will begin trials tomorrow.
It's amazing how green they've made the desert.
And the commute to the vertical farm is so short now.
Early detection is working perfectly. Disease incidence remains near zero across all zones.
As you can see from the sensor readings, this lighting configuration is yielding the best results for the lettuce.
The growth rate is nearly 20% faster.
The Q3 optimization metrics are finalized.
A 3.2% increase in yield.
Route 15 is clear for immediate dispatch, confirming 98.5% efficiency for the morning deliveries. The cold chain is stable.
Thanks to the automation, we don't do any heavy lifting. It's always a comfortable 22 degrees inside, far better than the 42 outside.
As you can see, we are exceeding projections by 12%. The gross profit is strong.
Yes, and the energy cost decline is accelerating the payback period.
Humidity levels remain stable at 65%.
Acknowledged. Yield projections are exceeding targets despite the storm.
This ensures our produce is completely pesticide-free, meeting all GB standards.
And the traceability system is the digital.
This variety has excellent texture and virtually no bitterness.
Agreed. We should fast-track this one for the upcoming market trials.
The 850-meter design is finalized. We will reach 450 tons daily.
The market demand supports this expansion.
Our strategic location in Western China provides a significant competitive advantage, reducing transportation costs by $15 million annually.
Our 95% water reduction and zero pesticide use are key highlights for the report.
Absolutely. This data confirms our competitive advantage.
Nandina, we need clarity on the long-term support for our proposed sites.
We are committed to ensuring the success.
Our output remains consistent at 150 tons daily. The internal climate is stable at 22 degrees Celsius.
Look at this lettuce. It's locally grown and tastes incredibly fresh. We buy these herbs every week because the quality is so consistent.
And the International Vertical Farming Achievement Award goes to the China National Desert Vertical Farm.
As you can see, the automated system precisely controls the environment. And this interface here, does it predict the harvest yield based on the light exposure?
Yes, exactly.
The optimized variety shows a 25% higher yield density.
And the nutritional content is 30% higher than the traditional cultivars.
The China National Desert Vertical Farm stands resilient, maintaining 150 tons of daily production.
The absorption rate is steady at 200 kilograms per day.
Excellent. The net carbon sink potential is clearly demonstrated here.
Radiating from the facility, this new community is home to 2,400 people. It's a model of economic transformation in the desert.
The next generation system shows 98% accuracy.
A clear advantage in both speed and gentle handling for Phase 3 deployment.
Researchers, we are pleased to report Year 3 revenue of $127 million, exceeding all projections.
Looking at the data, productivity is up 12-fold per square meter. Water usage is down 95%.
The latest shipment arrived smoothly in Singapore this morning. We are delighted with the increased orders across the region.
Demonstrating clear market leadership, the China National Desert Vertical Farm now commands 38% of the leafy green sector across western China.
For research. This graph clearly illustrates the gains in
resource efficiency
for the desert facility.
Yes, and the data.
This job changed everything for my family. We have stable income now.
The quality of life here is amazing.
The company provides housing and healthcare.
This 107-hectare facility.
The analysis confirms a 40% rise in beta-carotene and a 25% increase in iron content over baseline varieties.
Excellent work, team. We are currently at 19% surge capacity. Keep the pace up. The city is counting on us.
The 24 granted patents secure our core technology, and the 31 pending applications create a strong competitive.
Next-generation transparent OLED panels provide 22% higher light efficiency, enabling 12% denser plant spacing and a 30% energy reduction.
Today, we celebrate 10 years of innovation at the China National Desert Vertical Farm.
Looking at the trajectory, energy costs are down 32%, and automation has reduced labor costs by 38%.
As the original facility thrives, the competitive landscape matures. 3 new vertical farms are rapid.
We should place the construction photo right here, next to the original blueprint.
Agreed. It highlights the pioneering achievement perfectly.
Based on this success, we are implementing a national development plan, including a $2 billion fund.
As you can see, the revenue model for the replication project is strong.
We are very pleased with the terms. We look forward to the groundbreaking.
This certification confirms that the China National Desert Vertical Farm has achieved net zero CO2 emissions.
The water recycling rate is holding steady at 95%.
Good. We are ready for the Mars simulation phase.
This technology represents a major step forward in addressing global food security.
Congratulations, Daniel. Congratulations, Daniel. A remarkable return.
Indeed. A pleasure doing business with you, Chairman Liu.
Shot. As you can see on the holographic display, the nutrient uptake here is optimal. Yep.
So we maintain the current cycle.
This facility represents a monumental achievement, transforming the desert into productive farm.
Demonstrating that impossible can become possible through vision, investment, and perseverance.